Let that go to him now.
Click that go.
We gotta count down.
Listen, how far do you think it is from here to that corn? If we
Oh, they're
20, 25 yards.
Dude, they're right on the other side of the corn.
Oh, the geese?
yeah, they're on that side.
Like 15 yards.
Like, see where they're like hovering right there? That's where they're at.
Alright, ready?
All right, everyone. All right, everyone get in a line. Everyone get in a line. Everyone got plenty of shells.
Alright, 2 more.
Should we go more to the right so we're a little bit more covered? Because I know the left, once they see us, they're gonna get up. Do you think we go
We
more
can
to...
still just work this edge.
I mean, I say we go straight out to the damn corn.
You want to work that edge, that PVC pipe?
I don't know, they're right here. We got,
Once we get to that
unless
corn,
we can like work down this way and then just shoot
Unless you want to
straight
back
in.
down a little bit and go more to the right. And so those ones to the left don't see us.
Are you talking, yeah, right.
Yeah,
right
because
by
once
that corner
we
here.
come out, they're gonna
We're
see
here.
us. But yeah, they're high-headed.
Oh yeah, stop. They all picked up their heads.
Just chill here for a second. Have a break.
what up, Zach? 2 we're about to fly over us.
Huh?
Nothing.
We can get in the truck stuff again.
Huh?
Very good.
Yeah, alright. I think it opens up corner, don't it?
Huh?
That corn opens up a little bit, don't it?
Down there. What if we just get enough to this side where they can't see
They
us?
can't see us now. There's one to the left that can't see us. We just got to start.
Just go straight.
Just go straight this way.
Yep.
Alright, let these 2 land.
Tight, choke tight.
This will get the adrenaline flowing.
God, my heart's beating so fast right now.
Look at that bird.
That bird right here.
You got a neck to me.
Shoot. I'd shoot from here.
Dude, they're right there. At that corner right there, I'd say go now. But if we get,
Hold on, wait for these 2 right here.
Oh yeah.
oh, hold
Keep your
on.
head down, keep your head down.
There's a lot more coming like close to us.
So what we should do is just go right at 12 o'clock straight.
Just
And run. Just
You want
run.
to run or you want to just
Just
kinda
crawl
creep up? Let's get a little closer.
Get a little closer, probably then.
Run up to, or like get closer to where that dead line is,
yeah.
and just take off.
And then just take off.
very-
Everybody just pick like a zone.
Yeah.
Just aim straight, so you know whose birds are whose.
I don't care who's
I've only
first.
got 3 shells.
I only got 4.
Well, you'll hear me keep shooting.
This fucking is perfect over here too.
I know, it's like just coming right off the right. God damn.
Sit down.
I don't think we were going to get this close.
My heart is going about a mile a minute right now.
I don't know, if they're here now and we jump them up here, we should probably move down that way a little bit.
There's a lot to the right there. That wind's gonna push them right to the left.
Yeah.
Look at all that thing.
Dude, there's another group up higher dumping in.
Oh yeah.
Where?
Yeah.
There's none behind us, right?
Yeah.
No.
Shoot that thing, Caden.
What's it, 8 in that corner?
We probably don't even need all the decoys.
Nah.
I do like 10 dozen.
10, 15 dozen, that's it.
Yeah. Probably need
There's
one
a
bag.
lot of blues though. Have you seen around here? I got 5 dozen blues, or we just bring all white.
I just bring a bag, whatever's mixed in a bag.
Yeah.
And just bring all the guidelines.
Oh, shit. Get your head down. You got your sleds too, right? So we can just
Yeah,
drag it?
yeah.
Perfect.
I think it's about our time, boys.
Ready?
Start creeping.
One more.
Go!
Go down! Go!
Yeah, buddy! Wow! Fucking ain't right!
Single!
Single, Dom!
Go back up! Get the cripple.
Hot damn, boys! I'll get him.
Go back in the corner.
Corn.
Right here.
Dude, that blue is walking away. Fuck.
We got a blue?
Blue's right there. Crippled. Hot damn, boys.
We're gonna get our pass right, guys.
They're about to fly over again.
Get ready, boys. You got GoPro on?
Absolutely.
Okay, ready?
Hold on, wait till they get here.
Get closer.
Maybe they'll land again, who knows?
I don't know. We can
The ones to the left. The
somewhere
ones to the left.
Guys, they might land again.
Dude, my heart right now.
See what they're gonna do. Let's just be patient.
Boys, they're gonna land again. I don't got enough shells.
One out there?
Hold on.
No.
Just see what they do.
We got more to our left.
We get a group low enough. Just take
Like
them all we
these right
can.
here, right in front.
Yeah.
Wait till this group over to the right come over.
Hold on. This one right here.
Hold on.
Show me. No, they're a little hot.
Oh, the blues I see.
Dude, they just went out straight. Do you see the ones that are low?
No, hold on. They're gonna see us. They're gonna go back up.
Right there. Yeah.
Oh, buddy.
We're gonna try them.
Wanna get these?
They
Oh,
split
wait till
up.
we get a
They
blue.
split now.
Blue right here.
You wanna do it?
What, this group here? With the blue?
Oh, buddy. I'm like debating.
I know.
Dude, I think they're working back in. These ones to the right are cupped. We got
Look at
some.
the ones to the left, dude. They're getting ready to land in that other field over there.
Yeah, but they ate.
Oh, hold on. Guys, they're landing back over to the left.
Alright, let's get one more shoot out of this field.
Then pick up all.
Y'all,
Hey, y'all wanna
If
do
two
this
of
right
y'all
here?
wanna-
Put all these blues.
yeah. If two of y'all want to run back to the truck.
So you wanna get these above us?
Dang,
No, that's
that
too
wind
high,
caught
too
them.
high. You want to send 2 people to go get
I
these?
need 3.
Huh?
I do 3 just in case, because we got 2 sleds and someone needs to carry someone else.
Okay. And then
I mean, just
They're all landing back over there. Any blues? Any pretty blues?
they're all going back over there though.
we need to pick up our cripples.
Let's clean up our birds real quick.
Yeah. They're going in.
Look at that blue. Well, I don't know. Hold on.
Just don't shoot them.
Please don't fucking get away. goddamn